Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Plans and Pans, and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of my Erin Condren order. I ordered the Petite Planners and I also ordered a champagne colored folio. And I'm super excited because I'm trying to find planner contentment. I'm not going to say it's planner peace. I just want to be content with what I'm using for my planner. So I can maintain some level of organization or just being aware of what like appointments I have coming up. I'm just putting lotion on my hands. They feel a little dry. And so I can't find planner peace or what is a semblance of planner peace in my bullet journal. So I'm going to try Erin Condren. So let's get started. So I'm super excited to open this. And it came 2 days earlier than what it was supposed to. It's supposed to come Thursday and it came today. So just a postcard from Erin Condren, your typical standard postcard. And make sure I'm still in frame. And a sticker where you can, I guess, use as like a gift tag, has to and from. Let's get into the goodie bag. I'm super excited for this. I haven't opened it yet. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. I've never had something that come in a bag like this before. It feels so fancy. Look at it. It looks so fancy. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at it. I wonder if my A5 will fit. Look at me, always trying to customize and thinking about the A5, if the A5 bullet journal will fit in there. Look at this. This is so cute. Okay, let me move this stuff out of the way. So I'll leave the blue wrapping paper down, I guess. Let's see. Maybe I'll take the blue paper off. Okay. So there looks to be probably a coupon or something in here. It's on the go folio. Nope, doesn't have a coupon. It just talks about how you can use the different inserts, the planners that come along with this. It's so cute. I love this bag. Okay, so I ordered the dot grid pages. I plan to incorporate bullet journaling in this in some way. So I have the dot grid pages. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna open this on camera right now. I'll do a setup video because I don't like to do long videos. It seems like my longer videos aren't really getting views, which I understand because I'm not going to watch a video that's super long anyway, so I totally get it. This is the, 2019 monthly planner. This is a gratitude journal. I love this purple folio. It's so cute. That's the back. And it says 6 months of unique daily gratitude prompts, 30-day reflection spread, 6-month reflection spread, 6-month planning spread, illustrated metallic sticker sheet. Oh, and this one says monthly planner includes colorful layout, monthly spreads for 2019 through 2020 mini month overview, classic line note pages, functional metallic sticker sheet. And I ordered, do it in this order. So I have April through June. This is the back. I'm sure there's probably a glare on this. Yep, I'm sure it probably is. I'll go back and show the other ones. I didn't even think about the glare. So this is July through September. Let the focus. And the only downside that I think I might experience with this is that these have vertical layouts, and I'm definitely a horizontal layout type of planner, but I'm thinking I can work with the vertical the vertical layout. So I plan to incorporate for the vertical, like personal, YouTube, and hopefully my soon to be Etsy shop. I'm trying to get this to focus, but I don't think it's going to. So let's try this one more time. There we go. So you can get a better view of that. And I'll go back to the dot grid. Alright guys, that was just a quick unboxing of what I received from Erin Condren. So I'm thinking I'm just going to have it in this order. I'm just going to have 4. I'm going to have the monthly planner, April through June, gratitude, and then I also include the dot grid journal in there. So I have 4. And of course I'll take the plastic out, and I might do a setup video, but there's so many other setup videos on YouTube. But of course mine will be, you know, set up a little differently. So I will try my best to upload some sort of video of me setting this up and using it. But this is how I plan to use it, and I think I'm gonna like it already just for the size. And before my video cuts out on me again, let's see if an A5 bullet journal will fit. This is just a Scribbles That Matters. Lord have mercy, I just died. Look at this. I can even put, because I always wanted an A5 cover. So this might be something I have to invest in or look into, putting my bullet journal inside of this at some point. But yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for stopping by or checking out my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy some of my videos, enjoy my content. Check them out. And if you're an old timer or old subscriber or current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And I just ask that you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video. All right guys, I'm getting out of here. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.